Hello Pointagrammers, Johnny here. Today I'm showing you how to create a widget board. It's great for data visualization. You can show players, teams, and all scores within a score series. Data can also be compared to another entity such as player, team, or a target. So let's start from the competition page and press on the big plus sign. Then press on widget boards. A new screen appears where you can set the widget name, select the theme, and the option to filter on who can see this widget board. Pressing save takes me to the widget boards view where I can add widgets to my board. I can add unlimited widgets. Our widget boards are shareable through a link, but you can also add them to our TV cast and show them on a big TV screen. Note, pressing on the plus sign up to the right creates a new widget for your board. Configure your board to show players, teams, or all scores within a score series, and compare it to an entity such as players, targets, or teams. Under the gear wheel, you'll find the pop-up menu again, and from there you can actually access our theme editor, where you can change the backdrop and font colors. All you have to do now is save. That's it for this tutorial, and thank you for watching.